Hello guys, this is A from IFMOL with you, and today I'll show you a very easy way of how to download a video from a website. For this you'll need a Jaxsta application. Jaxsta is available for Mac and Windows users. You can get Jaxsta from a torrent tracker like the Pirates Bay or from their company site. If you would like to get it from the company site, you'll need to go to your browser, type jaxsta.com, and on the home page you'll see a download button. Okay, to start video downloading, we'll need first to start Jaxsta, then go to our web browser. In my case it's Safari. You can have Opera, Internet Explorer, Firefox, or whatever you like. Go to YouTube. You can go to any other site, but YouTube is the most popular one. And let's select the first video. Oh, some nice girls here. Okay. Let's see. Video is started to download to our browser. And in a few seconds it appears on Jaxsta. If you stop video in your YouTube, it will continue to download in your Jaxsta application. For some videos it could take a while, depends on their resolution. After Jaxsta will finish downloading, it will convert automatically for you this flash video format into normal MP4, and in few seconds we will be able to see it. Okay, now the loading is finishing and it will start converting in few seconds. One, and you can see the converting status over here. It converts video really fast. Okay, it's almost done. And to open a video you need to click this symbol, and here you go. Let's open it. Okay, it's working. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We'll come back with a lot of interesting stuff in next few weeks, so please subscribe to our channel. This was A from IFMOL. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.